Well, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix Discord account disabled. Now, there are two reasons your Discord account was disabled. The first reason is that you disabled it by yourself. So to do this, to re-enable it, log into the Discord using your email and password. You see a message saying your account is disabled. Click restore account. If it has been more than 14 days, your account will be it has been less than 14 days, your account will be reactivated. But after 14 days, your account will permanently be deleted by Discord. So you have to make sure it's less than 14 days. Now, if your account was disabled by Discord, it could be because you violated the terms and conditions and the guidelines. So you need to check your email because Discord will send an email explaining the exact reason they banned you and deactivated your account. If you believe the ban was a mistake, then just go to Discord Trust and Support Appeal Form, select Appeals, Age Updates, or other questions regarding an account. Then, an action as an action must be taken on my account, or action has been taken on my account. Fill in the required field, including your email, description of the issue, and then the reasons you believe the ban should be lifted. You have to be polite, and then after, just wait. Avoid creating other accounts, as Discord might get angry and ban the other account, permanently banning you from creating Discord accounts ever again. Hope you found the video helpful.